everyone! Chapter 2, Learning Target 6. We're so close! Let's talk about points of discontinuity, aka holes. This is Ms. Oshier.
And Miss LaHart. Just like we have holes in some of your classwork. Sorry, you may have holes in a rational function.
All the people watching this are the ones who watch their videos.
Yes, good job, people who are watching. We heart you. Tell the other people that we don't heart them.
They should watch this so we can heart them too. We're both making hearts right now.
Yep.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Back to class.
So, you know those excluded values that we cross out and then we kind of haven't been talking about? Well, they actually have a purpose and they're called a hole. So basically, when we simplify a rational function, okay, we're left with something, and that's what we graph. Like, that's what we find the domain and range of. That's what we find our x and y intercepts of, etc. But this is still an excluded value. So whenever you have something that's excluded, you have a hole at that coordinate.
Like an actual physical circle that technically is a hole.
That isn't filled in, exactly. So in this case, you would substitute the value of x in, and you actually have to solve it. So -1 minus 1 is -2. So your hole is at the point -1, -2.
After simplification, you plug it in.
Right,
obviously.
and we're going to just sketch it really quick for right now, but like we are actually going to sketch functions in the next learning target. So you would put your hole at -1, -2, and then you would graph, you know, this function of x minus 1, so y-intercept up 1 over 1, blah, 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 blah. But basically it's saying everything but not that one and everything else.
Yep. Nice little holes in your graph. Okay? Example 2, here we go. We're going to find the factors, so we factor it. Beautiful. You would cross out x plus 3's. So that means your x value is -3, so you go ahead and, oh, look at all that info.
Right, so just reminding you, this is the vertical asymptote. The part, you know, there's 2 excluded values. That's why your excluded values always come from your simplified version. The one that stays is the asymptote. The one that goes is the hole.
Yep. Okay, so we have -3, so you plug that -3 in, and out pops -1/5. So that's your y, and that's your physical hole.
And then because this is small over big, you have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. This is kind of like a preview of what's going to happen. But you would be sketching your function. So on the calculator, it's just going to show you this. It's not showing you this hole. You have to actually physically show us, hey, that hole exists. But we're going to be talking that a lot more in Learning Target 7. Short and sweet video. Have a great day.
Bye.